Hello everybody, today I want to make a quickly video about how to see other viewers on Facebook story and on iPhone. Now pay attention, I just want to say something quickly. I just want to say that be careful, okay? Be careful with that videos because in this moment, okay, I watch a lot videos about that topic and the people say that you need use another app. You need open your app store and download that app or open a website and write your personal information. Be careful because don't trust him. It's weird. You don't need give your personal information in another website or in another app because it's so weird, okay? And you cannot watch other viewers in your story, okay? That not is possible, okay? Only maybe in Instagram with all versions, but in this moment you cannot use that function, okay? um, I just want to say that, okay, don't trust in another website or in another in another apps. And the most important thing, don't trust in the people that say you need open your Facebook account with a VPN in Thailandia or I don't know, okay? Because it's you don't need that, okay? And the people always say use my link below in my description with that VPN. It's so weird, okay? It's so weird and is most dangerous because with VPN or with that information about your IP or your network connection, that people don't have access not only in your Facebook, okay? Have access in all system in your mobile, okay? Be careful with that. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day.